Hi, and welcome to another one of my Wainwright walks videos. And today I've come out to do the Greenburn Round. Now this route consists of 4 Wainwrights. The first one is just over the next rise on this fell, and that's Steel Fell, sometimes known as Dead Pike. And then it continues on round and we reach Calf Crag, then over Gibson Knot down to Helm Crag, or across rather to Helm Crag, and then down back into Grasmere again. None of these tops are particularly high really, and actually today's weather is a little bit unpredictable. There's quite a bit of snow on the ground already, and it's forecast to be hail, sleet and maybe some more snow showers throughout the day, and a little bit blustery, so this should be a pretty good choice of route for those kind of conditions. We've just come up from Grasmere, and there's a bit of a walk along the road before you get onto the fell, but now I'm on the fell. It's not too far to that first Wainwright summit, so I'm going to get moving, and I'll see you on top. Okay, so I am now on the top of Steel Fell, Dead Pike. Don't know if you're going to be able to hear the audio for this. It is pretty breezy up here, but the views are spectacular at the moment. Quite a lot of hail and snow coming through. So I'm not going to hang around here, I'm going to get moving. The next one is Calf Crag, so I'm just going to be heading on down there. Pretty much walking along the line of that fence all the way around. And that takes me all the way around to Calf Crag, which is just over there somewhere. So I'm going to get moving now, and see you once I get round there. Here we are at Calf Crag, and I'm just going to spin you around and let you take a look at the view up here. And the sun keeps peeping out through the clouds, and it looks really stunning. So anyway, the direction I'm going to be heading in is across there towards Gibson Knot. So I'm going to get moving, and I'll see you on the next one. Now this one's a little bit tricky because it seems like a very obvious summit. You can see the cairn here and it does look like the highest point, but the coordinates on my Garmin are slightly different to the OS coordinates that I had for this particular fell. Okay, so here I am at Gibson Knot. Now I did go to a different point on the ridge earlier. After quite a lot of to and fro and backwards and forwards, I did actually find the correct spot, which is here, and it's quite a recognisable summit actually now that I found it. So Helm Crag, that's the one that I've still got to get to. I'm going to head along the ridge now, get to Helm Crag, and that's the last Wainwright summit of the day. So here we are at Helm Crag. You can see it just over my shoulder. Now you've got to climb up there to say you've reached the true summit. And I did have a little look at it, but I'm on my own. I haven't climbed for a while. Well, the excuse is coming out. I'm on my own. I haven't climbed for a while. There's quite a lot of snow and it's in the cracks and it's a bit polished and wet. So yeah, my ego was telling me to give it a go, but the sensible part of me was saying just leave it for another day when it feels right. So I will come back and I will climb it, maybe when the conditions are better for someone who's had, you know, hip surgery 8 months ago and doesn't want to break anything. So I'll come back for this one, but it's a fantastic looking thing.